Here is a question I could not stop thinking about. When you read a sentence, how do you know which words matter? Take this one. The animal did not cross the street because it was too tired. What does the word it point to? You knew instantly. The animal, not the street. Nobody ever taught you that rule. So how did you know? And here is the stranger part. A machine now knows it too. This one idea, figuring out which words should pay attention to which other words, is the breakthrough behind almost every AI you have heard of. ChatGPT, Claude. The whole modern wave of intelligence. In 2017, a research paper gave the idea a name. The title was almost arrogant. Attention is all you need. And it turned out they were right. But before we get to the machine, let me show you something about you. Imagine a crowded party. 100 conversations at once. A wall of noise. And then, across the room, someone says your name. Instantly, that one voice cuts through everything. You did not turn up the volume on your name. You turned down everything else. That is attention. You are doing it right now. Out of everything hitting your eyes and your ears in this moment, you chose this. The screen. My voice. Everything else faded into the background until I just pointed at it. Your mind is a spotlight. And it is always, quietly, choosing what to ignore. So here is the problem the machine had to solve. Give it a sentence. To understand any single word, it has to know which other words give that word its meaning. In "it was too tired," the word it has to look back and find animal. But a machine has no eyes. So how does a machine look? Here is the trick, and it is beautiful. Every word gets to score every other word. A number for how much it should listen to each one. High score, pay close attention. Low score, ignore. So it looks across the sentence. It scores animal high. It scores street low. And it locks on. The machine is not reading left to right. Every word is weighing every other word, all at once. And the way it scores is almost human. Each word quietly asks a question. What am I looking for? That is called the query. Every other word answers back. Here is what I am. That is called the key. When a question meets a matching answer, attention fires. It asks, who am I standing for? Animal answers, a thing that can be tired. Match. The spotlight snaps into place. Now multiply this. Not one sentence. Billions. Not one spotlight. Millions running side by side, layer upon layer. A word attends to words. Those patterns attend to other patterns. Meaning building on meaning. Stack it high enough, and something new appears. The machine begins to seem like it understands. And all of it, every single layer, is just this one move, repeated. Deciding what to attend to. Deciding what to ignore. Now sit with what just happened. We were trying to build a better translator. A smarter autocomplete. And to do it, we had to teach a machine to focus. To choose what matters, and throw the rest away. And the moment we did, we had built a mirror. For the first time, we could see attention itself. Measure it. Watch a mind decide what to ignore. We did not just make a tool. We caught a glimpse of the machinery running quietly inside us. We tend to think intelligence means knowing more, holding everything. But the machine learned the opposite lesson. The same one your mind learned long ago. So here is what I want you to carry out of this. Intelligence is not knowing everything. It is knowing what to ignore. This was the first faculty. Attention! In this series, we are going to rebuild the whole mind, one piece at a time. I will see you in the next one.